So are we ready to take on the EQS, the ultimate luxury, premium, sporty, electric sedan from Mercedes-Benz? It's just got so much going for it, and this amazing screen that takes over the whole dashboard. The ignition button is right here in the center console, and we're ready to get going. Yes, that's how an electric car starts up. Silently. Premium sound system, premium touch and feel points, this beautiful, beautiful screen, which I just think it's amazing how they call it a hyperscreen. Well, it's hyper attractive. Like the S-Class, plenty of space at the back. This is the Tycoon's full electric transportation. So let's see how fast this EQS accelerates. A mild version of warp drive.